Last year, my good cousin, who we knew as Chef, and his best friend Vanja created their own cooking show. They got so much fame with it, not with their cooking skills, but with the show's terribleness. That's why they called it Failed Cooking Show. They taught us how to cook and how to achieve our goals. Unfortunately, this show didn't last long. Chef and Vanja were shot dead in 2018, right after New Year's Eve. After that, the show was shut down.
And that's why I, Peter McCup, am gonna make my own cooking show. Jason, roll the goddamn intro!
Hello people, I'm Chef Peter, and today I will show you how to make your own Ketchup Meatball Bun.
Let's get this done, shall we?
So, the things what you're gonna need are, of course, meatballs, some ketchup, and a loaf of bread. Delicious! We got all of these ingredients from our local supermarket. Well, I guess you can say we borrowed them. Now that we got all of our ingredients, I'm gonna show you how to make one. So the first thing what you want to do is grab your meatball and take your home spoon and make a little hole in it. Okay, then spread it, pause, and then put your finger in it, pause, and try to dig up as much of inside of it as possible. Now that you have most of it clean, take the ketchup and put it inside of here. Good. Now take some bread here you go. Now you want to put your pan into the hot box and let it be there for like 20 hours. Let's go. And here it is, our ketchup meatball bun. Very good, very good. Look how good it is, huh? Oh, it's still hot. This looks good and smells good. Let's serve it to our customer now. Here you go, sir. Oh, thank you, sir. That tastes like the first meal I had in kindergarten. Was it good? Hell no!